Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. Kids, today we use colors. First we use blue color and now we draw the number of 1. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E 1. The next one is 2. We again use blue color and now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. Now we draw the number of 5. The next one is 6. Now we draw 7. Kids, the next one is 8. We again use blue color. Now we draw 9. And the next one is 10. We again use blue color and now we draw the number of 11. The next one is 12. Now we draw the number of 13. The next one is 14. Kids, now we use black color and draw 15. Kids, now we use the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the number of 15. The next one is 16. Kids, now we draw 17. And the next one is 18. We again use black color and now we draw 19. Now we draw the number of 20. Kids, the next one is 21. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw 22. The next one is 23. Black color. The next one is 24. Now we draw 25. The next one is 26. Now we draw the number of 27. The last one is 28. Today we draw numbers 1 to 28. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.